Forearms. Good. That's step 2. What was step 1?
No, lateral shift.
Lateral shift correction. So now you're doing step 2. You corrected the shift. Now we're doing step 2, prone lying. Good. That feels wonderful. You tried to do prone on elbows, which is step 3, but it hurt too much.
So we don't go anywhere.
So we're not going to do that because it's irritable. So we have to ease into it. So we're going to stick with step 2, just laying flat. Good. Everyone's good? You can stay in this as long as you want.
Good.
Yep. Well, not you. Everyone else can. So then, it's no longer irritable. So now we're going to go on to our elbows. So stay on your stomach and put your elbows into the table. Now that's prone on elbows. This position, you can either hold it. Good job. You're doing great. Or you can go down and up. Down and up. How long are you going to hold it for?
10 repetitions.
2 seconds. Perfect. How many times are you going to do it?
10 times.
10 times. Good old McKenzie.
I have a question though. Sorry. When you say going down, like, do you start at like your sternum and roll down, or would you just like?
No, you just go straight up because you don't care about what your thoracic spine is doing. You only care about what your lumbar
So
spine
you
is
just
doing.
let yourself drop.
Yeah. So if you want to hold it, wonderful. If you want to do your McKenzies, it's 2-second holds 10 times. Remember, inflammation, hydrostatic, you're pumping it out. That is why you're going up, down, up, down. That's the ideal situation. If we want to go with ideal, sets of 2 seconds, 10 times. Now, we want to get more extension. So now we're going to put our hands in front, so above our head. Yeah, scoot it down a little bit. Okay, so now you're going to put your arms out in front of your head, and you're going to push up towards elbow straight, but not elbow straight.
I'm back. I'm back in step 3.
Morgan, I need you to guard her. So, how long are you going to hold it for?
2 seconds.
How many times? 10 times. Good. So then, that's the max that you can do with, doing it in passive or passive assisted. That's what the max you could do. In terms of manual techniques, if you are the PT and extension helps, you can go into this and do your PAs. So what I want you to do is go up onto your hands. Good, and hold it there. And I could do my PAs because they're extension. Good, and relax down. And then go back up and do my PAs. And then go back down.
Do you still just go straight down? or
Yep,
can you
it's
go
extension. Remember, the
Yeah.
lumbar spine is the same as the C spine.
So is this similar to motivated in the sense that pain relief right away?
You should have pain go away with yes. With McKenzie stuff, it's all about pain going away. The manual technique is just to address the mechanical interface.
Would you do the manual just when they reach step 4 or whenever you deem?
Whenever it's comfortable to do so. So sometimes, as long as they can be in prone, technically you should be able to do it. Because you could just do prone, you could do prone on elbows with it, you could do prone on straight. So then the most aggravating, that's why it's step 5, repeated standing. Can someone explain why it's the most aggravating?
You're compressing into the end.
Gravity, weight bearing, true.
Is
What
now
else?
you're something with your hips or now?
What do we do when we do with gravity?
Compress.
Press, yes. What are muscles? So you're using muscles to do it. So are you guys using muscles when you're on your stomach? You're resting. And if you go on your elbows, you're using your arms. And if you go on your hands, you're using your arms. It's all passive. Active now, this is active where we're on our hips. This is now active. We're using our muscles to do this. When we activate our muscles, it's not as good. Well, it's fine, but it's more provocative.
Is it like passive punch back, or is it like slowly activating your muscles to arch back?
With this, hands on the hips, and you're just going backwards.
I mean, like, is your erector spine and your muscles like your back extension is activating, or are you just hinging and your abs are controlling you?
No, it's your erector spine that's activating, which is why it's irritable.
Okay.
Good. So that's your McKenzie extension. Everybody did it. Good job.
Thank you.
Okay. Nerve gliding. Yeah, you don't have